Another day, another design. Welcome to a day in the life of a digitizer. One of the things I like to do to switch up my work day is I definitely like utilizing my iPad as a secondary monitor for my iMac. This allows me to, one, feel cool, and two, allows me to quickly drop down all the points that I need in a design to then modify later on my computer. This is not a freestanding application on my iPad. I'm simply able to do this because I'm using my iPad as a second display for my iMac. And since I can use an Apple Pencil for that, I'm able to use my Apple Pencil as a mouse and drop all of my points really quickly. But note, I am still using my keyboard to use all the keyboard shortcuts because this is ultimately connected to my iMac. Once I'm good and ready, I send it on over to my embroidery machine and it's time to start testing. I will literally watch the entire design stitch out from start to finish. I'm mentally taking notes of things that I like and I don't like so I can change them when I get back into my software. But I always encourage my students to watch how your embroidery machine stitches out. You can learn a lot from watching embroidery design stitch out, and if you are new to embroidery and you want to become a digitizer, one way you can get ahead of the game is watching well digitized embroidery designs stitch out. All of my testing for today is finished. I'm simply getting them ready so that way I can take photos. I take all of my own photos and I literally stitch out every single design that I sell. So if you see it listed on my website, know I stitched it first. It's time to render all of the designs and get them ready for my customers, to get them ready for you guys. So what I do is I'm taking all the notes that I made mentally in my head, referring to the finished products and making any adjustments that the file needs before I can finalize it. I have the folder all set up for this particular design. Now I'm gonna go ahead and make sure that I save a PDF copy. I like to include a color map with all of my designs so that way everybody knows what to expect at each color change. My color maps might be a little bit more extra than others. I do go ahead and take the time to reduce it down to one page, which includes a photo of what the image is supposed to look like along with the color mapping. I also include the name of the file, and in the corner I like to add my logo, and if you open this up on your computer and double click where the logo lives, it will take you back directly to my website so that way you can get more fun designs. It's time to import all those photos I painstakingly took of everything that I made today. I need to make some small tweaks on the lighting just so that way it looks perfect. I'll get it cropped, uploaded, and onto my website. Now it's time to attach it to the Shopify listing. Make sure that I've added the digital file for that particular listing. The last thing that I need to do is let all of Drea's Felty friends know that there are new Felty designs available on the website. Here are all the tiny designs that I made and tested today. You can find these available at designsbydreaco.com, and I will catch you in the next video.